Boo.
I had legs today, Fredmaster 2.
Shit, no way.
It was awful.
I know.
Yeah.
I only go to the gym during weekends nowadays, so you know, legs is on Saturdays. So I'm chilling.
Yeah, until it becomes Saturday. Then.
Yeah, then I'm not chilling. Then I'm dead.
But like, we are going to the university like to train with the bicycle. Yeah.
Yeah.
And bro, the way back after training legs is not easy, especially because we are taking like a weighted vest with us, so we're going by bike with additional 30 kilograms.
Yeah.
Oh, it's insane. After training legs,
Sounds like fun.
I'm praying always that I'm.
Wait, I'm praying.
Yeah,
Why did I always forget to put public live stream on YouTube? Like, I don't know if I should put it as default, because what if one day you just want to make a private stream for no reason, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see. I think we got everything. I'm gonna WW and hello. Let's see. I think they should be connected and all good. Let's see. 10 seconds.
I'm gonna message Harold now.
I think he died, maybe.
Would be kind of funny if also his mic is broken. Oh, wait. Oh, he wrote in the... Oh, wait. Yeah, Harold is writing in the VC chat. Yeah.
How dare he?
He says his Popo has got fucked, so he installed Ubuntu. And now he's on GNOME. Ah, that's crazy.
See, Harold, this is why you use Arch Linux, alright? You understand now? Alright.
It doesn't make it stable, I see.
It's just a period to use.
Then will you go... Harold, will you go...
I'm streaming in the wrong stream, I just realized.
Harold, will you go Popo S Cosmic then, afterwards? Ubuntu? No. Okay. Ubuntu. Okay.
Oh, Ubuntu. I think he should go to Arch Linux, I'm just saying. That he should go Arch Linux, alright? I'm just saying.
Redmaster is also getting Arch Linux.
No fucking hell yeah, let's go. Another one. We need to, you know, Harold has converted people to Zig, and now we need to convert him to Arch, you know, that's just how it works. I'm just saying that Arch is pretty damn good. Alright. I don't even remember, where did I leave off yesterday?
Okay.
It was something that did not compile. Oh yeah, the issue with the server connect. What
It's in your
the?
disconnect function. Lucas, in your disconnect function.
Yeah.
Why is there like an OK function or something like that?
I don't know how Rust works, bro. There's just.
Yeah, I also don't know, but it looks so funny.
Wait, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, Peppa. Okay, now my mic just I touched the cable and it fucking died. Oh, it's Peppa Pig. Sometimes I wonder if both of those accounts is Harold. I'm just saying that would make complete logical sense, you know?
Yeah, Harold said he's Pepper.
Yeah, I know he's one of those. But let's, hell no, I'm not him, I don't wanna touch that. Okay, so that's Harold for real, 100%. It's the connecting that I had issues with, because I'm thinking like, what if I connect, and then, okay, and then it doesn't call disconnect. Well, then I have a quite a big of a problem, because then I never call disconnect, and then it goes in here, and it's like, okay, you're not in the logged out, so we are gonna try to insert another one of you, but you're already here, so then there's like, wait, what the fuck? Can I do something? Oh. No. What if? No. But does this thing return the connection somehow? Nah. Else if. What happened to the music and why did it turn back on now all of a sudden out of nowhere? What the fuck? This is scary. Else if. We're gonna take this and ask this, but we're gonna, instead of ask for logged out, we're gonna ask for player. I don't know, this should not even be possible to happen to begin with, but can I say false? I think I can say false. I'm like,
it's crazy how similar like all these languages are, like
yeah,
and Zig, like from the like public function. That's like,
for real.
oh, that's Zig.
Yeah. Wait, let me go to YouTube, Zig Game. Quick. I don't know why I call it quick chat, because it's not actually quick chat anymore. It's whatever the fuck it actually is. But it's throwaway code, as I always say, and then it's actually the production code. Like fuck.
Yeah, but the production code is throwaway code.
But for real though, like yeah.
Yeah, but
let's see.
so I had the same for Blavi. I made a renderer just like quick to see just if I can render things, and now I still have a renderer.
Yeah. But
It's
if it works, you know, it works. And why would you need to change? I think, like for me, it's like if I would like to make something better, I just make the whole application over again and make it better second iteration. You know, like.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, let me change that thing in Minecraft real quick. Oh wait, nah, it didn't work out. Let me rewrite Minecraft real quick. Nah.
Okay, but it depends, alright? But like most of the time it's just like if it works it's good enough, it doesn't need to be better. Unless if it's like something like, if it's really like, let's say you have a good running game and there's one thing that slows it down by 500%, of course then you rewrite it. But if it's like, it only slows it down by like a fraction, and I was like, yeah, it's really bad, but it's like compared to what you could having that slows it down, it's like nothing. Why would you bother changing it even? Like, just go on and learn something else until it actually becomes a bottleneck. Then, because then it's like, then you're incentive to actually fix it and wanna change it, you know? Like, I don't know. I try to avoid optimizing things when they don't need to be optimized, but yet I still, when I create a variable or a struct in C, I'm like, could I put all of these bits in just a bit mask or something like that instead of having a lot of bools? Well, it should just be better to just have a lot of bools, you know, because it's just easier to understand and read in that case. Except when you work with shaders. Shaders, you should really just optimize the living head. Every single bit counts, you know. But
Harold is so far in the chat.
oh man, he's writing in the wrong chat. He's right. He should be writing in the YouTube or Twitch, because I cannot read any other chat.
You heard him, Harold.
What was I supposed to? How can I on space-time DB rebuild the server? Let's see. I think they have the command in their docs, but oh my god, I might just go to the docs.
Okay, yeah, chaos. Just AI.
Yeah, but for real, like it's
That's the good
usually
old way.
it's like pretty fast and just gives you the command. And I'm like, what the fuck are you doing research on? Like trying to write a scientific paper on one by just asking how to write the command.
So this is my master exam. Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
They should have. I think they have it in the quick start set up here. Okay, it's still writing that thing. Let's see. I can probably find it before it's even has finished doing the thing.
Speedrun against the AI.
Yeah, for real. Not. It's. I think it's that command. Yeah, except I just need to replace that with my name. Let's see, what did this one say? Oh, you could do clear. I didn't know that. Ah, but yeah, it's still. Yeah. I don't know what it gave me, but none of those are actually things that I'm supposed to run. And then I just renamed this to quick chat, quick start chat. I think that should be it, right? Could not detect language of module. Right. I need to go into server. Can I? Let's see. Space don't need to generate. Binary cannot apply. Okay, so I do something wrong here.
Oh, because of equals false.
Why is that
Your
wrong?
favorite thing.
Why is that wrong?
I don't know, but like probably because it says player is like
Harold is calling me.
or something.
Harold is calling me gay. Why do you think I'm gay, huh? Whoa, wow, now it was fast as hell, yo, bro. Is none. There's an is none that I should be.
Is straight, is gay.
Yeah, fuck. That is none. Why? Where's my intelligence, bro? This Rust shit sucks ass. So if it's none, then it can continue on with that. Let's try again. Okay, so now there were just warnings, but let's see, reducer. This is unused reducer. That's fine because I'm gonna get it later. Same with that. Unnecessary around if. Right. Well, that's actually quite disgusting. Bruh, what happened?
You don't need parentheses in if statements in Rust. That's crazy.
No, that's crazy. Nah, that's fucking crazy. Let's start another.
Wait, but when are you done with these multiplayer things? I wanna see some Zig, some.
Bro, I don't know. I just spend an hour a day on this, so it's gonna take a pretty long fucking time. It's still in the quick chat. Let's see. Then I can do bun run source index dot t. Brother, oh, that's not.
Watch out for, yeah.
What?
Oh yeah. I want to say the source.
I see what my problem was, bruh. Okay, now we're running the server. Can I open it? Boom. And now it shouldn't have a connected food table updated. Okay, nice. So now we didn't get an error, and if I do a refresh, yes, no errors. This was the issue I had before, because I don't know, for some reason when it disconnects, it still keeps me connected. And the problem was that then it went into the here and checked, oh, so you're not in the logged out. So that means you're probably not here at all. So let's create a new version of yourself and insert it. But then they have to be unique. So it inserted another unique duplicate, and then it had an error like constantly. But now it should be fine, so fantastic. Am I right? But having shitty methods instead of just using syntax. There literally is no syntax here. I'm getting no assistance, bro. I'm just like, I have to compile the thing to see if it compiles or not. I can't see any. There's like no, like, it's not even there. I don't
What's
know.
the next plan?
Now I just need to figure out why is it not calling this reducer. It should go through info initializing. It should go through here and start calling this thing. But wait a minute. All right, let's see. I don't know. Let's take this one over to here for now. Actually, let's move it to there. And let's take with us... I want to take this, not that one. I want to take this one. Let's see. How can if the loop is being called, can I add prints? Wait, I should be able to add print. Yeah, log here, this thing, right? So we can go in here, we can... Yeah, you know, I'm not too concerned about if something crashes.
Wait, you hear me?
No.
Yo!
Yo, so I suffer from something called severe stupidity.
Oh, same, bro.
Yeah, no, like I had my mic not plugged in because I was like I used the slot for a USB stick before to install Ubuntu, you know. Yeah.
That's fire. That's fire.
Yeah, but like I'm pretty set, bro. I have all the beautiful games I need, aka RimWorld. That's the only thing I need. I have Steam, I have Discord, I have Brave. I have passwords, I have VS Code, I have Zig. I mean, that's all I need.
Zig, VS Code.
Yes, and I also removed Snap, which, you know, it's a necessary step, I'd say.
What's Snap?
It's shit.
Oh.
Bloat.
Flatpak. Nah.
Don't say stuff like that.
Yeah, I removed it. After I
Yeah.
got Discord working.
Let's see, the user is being
That's
called.
what
You
I
can
get.
use several approaches into the response, which line should already be printing in logs, but there is a better way. Okay. Wow, enhanced logging. Let's put emojis in it. Bam! That's a bit too much, to be honest. I don't care. But should be. I'm not getting these logs. Like, if I go. Wait, where am I? Wow, that's so readable where I am. Can I do this? Dot. Where am I now? I can read? Yes, I can read. Unexpected argument. What the is it for real hallucinate? What the fuck is... Why would you do that? Oh. Let's stop the server. And then, let's see. Log level. What the fuck? Debug. Does it come after? That's so weird. Why would you put it after? Log level.
Because if you can add a macro in Rust, I will personally give you money.
A macro. How much money will I get? Like $2 or something?
Yeah, something like that.
That sounds pretty.
Hashtag define AS1. No.
What? Bro is talking in, I don't know,
In C-ish.
Siege. Oh yeah. Hashtag define alive 0.
Oh. Yeah, so that's what we call compile time in C.
Yeah, exactly. AKA is like copy paster.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, or
I
in
don't even get
over
the
here in
initialize.
Sigurland, we actually have code that runs in compile time that actually does stuff, not just copy pastes. Yeah, that's right. We have syntax highlighting in our macros.
Yo.
And also we can not do weird ass stuff like having left a parenthesis open for no reason at all, which you can do easily.
What is Pig talking about in the chat? First, build release, publish your module. You need to publish your module. I don't understand. Why would it? Like, apparently I'm not sure if I'm getting this setup even working correctly. Like, the connection works, but I'm not even getting called the init. I'm like, what the the init what? My brain.
Like,
Fuck.
not gonna lie, I don't know how Rust works, but I would definitely check out if the terminal is getting flushed correctly.
Like,
But if it prints other statements, then it should work.
well, I mean,
Flush.
let's see if it does. Let's say I take this init and let's see, because I know that the commands at least are being like the functions is being called. Let's say this connect here. Let's put 3 of these init in there. I need to rebuild it. Fuck. CD server.
Oh, Rust rebuilding. Yeah, that's gonna take long.
Yeah, it's never gonna be finished.
Let's see. Now I go here and let's do a reload. Boom. I didn't get a single message. But the client got connected. That's the funny part.
Do you need to do \n in Rust?
Backslash what?
\n or like n. I don't know how to pronounce it. Like n, like the new line character.
I don't know. I don't do Rust.
Yeah. Harold, I think you did.
Did I
think you
do
did
Rust?
I think you did a Hello World once, right? No.
Well, I've written like a tiny program in Rust once, but yeah.
That's
We have
crazy.
also written a Hello
That's
World
too much,
when I was
Harold. That you're basically a Rusterer now.
Well, no, man. I used Rust and then I was like, you know, this is pretty cool. And then I realized the build times. And then I realized that the language actually kind of sucks. And then I realized that I want to use Zig instead. And then I realized I don't like borrow checker because I want my code to be unsafe and shit. You know, and then I realized,
Where's the fun in not breaking things?
exactly, like I want my nulls, bro. Just let me have null.
Yeah, no, I think like 1 year ago I made a Hello World program in Rust, so I think you could say I got like 1 year Rust experience.
Well, you can only say that if you're trans.
Oh.
Yeah, so now you're beyond Rust developer.
Because I like how you do help and all other cases.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I just need help. Reducer, but you're not seeing the
You
info,
do need that.
not the print. Just inside your local process, run inside data, want print to your terminal. By default, you need to configure logging in space and runtime AG run info when running the. So wait, if I do this,
This is a normal print line. This I also used once.
I don't fucking know, bro. This. Let's see.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't you need to rebuild it? Or
No.
is that rebuild? No?
Yeah, this is rebuilding.
It's good for that.
Detect non-functional print statement. What? Found one disallowed print statement. Amazing! That's not even allowed.
Right.
Yeah, that's...
If you
Yeah,
need to
you're not
print
allowed
something,
to.
use log. Create the log info macro. Hey, log info
Mhm.
macro! Oh, Harold, what were you saying about the macros?
Okay, so macros are like the functions that you call, but you need an exclamation mark at the end. That's a macro. So basically, that's how you spot when something is broken and shouldn't work. Because let me tell you about this. Because to make a macro, in
Nah.
C, for example, you do define. In Rust, you make a entirely different project inside of your project, and then you import a dependency that is made by the Rust developers, but it's not in Rust. Okay, it's a dependency.
That sounds
And
sexy.
then you can use that.
I would like to not
Yeah,
be
that's
alive.
amazing. Yeah, also you can't have any other things in that project with all the macros, so you basically have a macro project and yeah.
Yeah, that sounds
Guys,
like.
can't we go back to C, where life was not complicated?
Yeah,
I pick C every day above Rust, bro. Rust is not good. It's not it, man.
asking you about space. Yeah, I'm asking, bro. I don't know, bro. Like, I'm trying to get a simple print.
Because you should have written this in C#.
I can't get a simple print working. Like, what the fuck? This is. Why does it
yeah,
print
that's
here?
an
You can
issue.
see it's printing info. I'm trying to print info, but I'm not. Why is there a fucking what the fuck?
Macro.
I can't get the fucking
Yeah.
print.
Wait, are you getting issues with the prints, like not doing it in the right order, or?
No, like I'm not getting the prints at all. That's the thing.
Ah.
I'm like,
Even better.
because I want to see that can I get food spawning, and to get food spawning I just want to see a print on the client side. Before I can see a print on the client side, I must see can the server even do something, and that's what I'm trying to print from the server or something, but I can't. Fuck.
Didn't the AI say that no, like by default the log info doesn't print to the terminal?
Yeah, but I rebuilt it with the stupid thing. Let's just, I don't know, man. This is. It doesn't say, like, you can even see that it actually does print info by default apparently, because I do have info logs here, which I'm also using here, and I can't even navigate to them because I don't fuck Rust, bro. ChatGPT probably messed all up considering how frequently you ask it. Oh yeah, I just bombard it with questions, but I don't use what it says because it just gives me garbage. But I'm just asking a different kind of way, trying to see if it can. Usually they give something that is shit that I can still Google and use, but yeah, I can't even get a normal print. Like space-time DB. Fingerprint, no. Logs. But how can I get to print logs? Space-time logs, options database. I mean, see. Quick start chat. I should change the name. Oh. Wait a minute. Ah.
It's fire.
What are these? Okay. But this is... When did... What? What is the timestamp? This is 17th. Okay, so today is 17th. I thought it was 19th. 1836. I wasn't even running the server during that time. How is that? I think it's just...
Can't you clear the logs one again and then see if it's...
Let's see. I'm just gonna do... Can I do clear?
Just a complete freestyle.
Yeah, bro, I'm fuck. What can I do? Server num lines follow format.
Maybe look at the docs on the log. Oh, it's actually just the same.
Mm. But this is just, let's see, what is the latest it said? It said 1836, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
Bless you.
1838, and let's do again. Okay, so it is, spawn food is being called, like, pretty damn fast, actually. Maybe a bit too fast. I don't want to spawn food this fast, bro. Okay. Oh, that's nice. And I want to see if I try to... Let's go here, do a refresh, and let's see if I do again. Player not found, initializing. Yes, it's... I don't know what that's... yeah. Therefore, just joined. Are we solving world hunger? Yeah. We're... And you're about to kill somebody, or maybe two people down there, you know.
We're gonna make the world hungry for intelligence, because Lucas is eating it all.
Yeah, there was no intelligence, so I had to take it from somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, let's see. Spawn food here.
Wait, I think I got a server boost. Wait. Oh hell no, I didn't.
No? Well, I don't know. There was like a server boost thing.
2 versus 1, easy. Damn. Okay, but then we can probably do this thing again. I will just delete the data. Yes. And now if we run the logs, it's still quite fast. Let's reduce the... how fast?
Yes, I have 1
Milliseconds there.
but I can't do it without paying.
Sad moments. Well, you can just send it to Lucas's Patreon, you know. Yeah, oh yeah, guys, you should support Lucas on Ko-Fi, you know, so he can reach this goal of €0.
So I can get paid one day.
Yeah.
You're back, boss. Pig is back. Crazy. Okay, this is still...
You should go back to the pen.
Like so, let's see.
You know, so you can write.
Yeah. I don't know. Start an start an OnlyFans. Alright. Just
yeah.
just for you guys. I will because I have Arch Linux, you know, I will put on the socks and we will have some
Yeah, that's what we like.
pretty good
Now you're also programming in Rust, everything is matching.
No,
every puzzle pieces
it's
yeah,
it's
because
all
a Rust developer using Arch.
it's all coming together, you know. I just need a socks now.
Yeah, like a TypeScript slash Rust developer using Arch. I mean, can it get more, you know?
Yeah, you can
It's
get.
just trying to, it's bingo.
Can it get more?
Yeah.
Okay, but that means that the reducer is being called. Now all I need to make sure is that on the client side it will actually receive this thing, and that I think I do over where? On food table updated here. We should be getting food table updated spam quite frequently, but what the fuck? Connect to spacetime. What the fuck? What the fuck? This one says that it's all fine, that we connect properly, you know. Like if I go here, let's take this, go here, start a new one, go over here.
Look what I sent in Discord live chat.
Okay. Yo, it's this guy.
Spawn food?
This is exactly Lucas.
What?
You know, I just love this meme so much.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna send it in Twitch chat also, so you look at. Oh yeah, you can send links.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, Harold, did you watch
I
this?
guess I-
Did you watch Dexter?
Say what?
Like,
No.
this is serious with like.
No. I know the meme.
Mhm.
I don't watch series. I have
Yeah,
better stuff to do.
I also I'm on the third episode of the series.
Ah, yeah. But you guys look in Twitch chat. I actually managed to send the link. I think it's because I'm moderator. That's like
Oh.
that's literally you, Lucas.
I don't think so.
Oh no,
Oh,
you
really?
will think so.
Yo, spawn food 20.
Yeah, we should have seen 20 of them being called, though. That's the funny thing. Like, if you see here, while, try
Oh,
insert,
it's not so bad.
insert here, and entity food, and then in here, oh wow, this is the wrong one. In here, connection database food on insert, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know. Let's now back to AI.
Oh yeah, it's also a vibe coder. Yeah,
Yeah.
even more this modern.
Hey, I'm not the
C++ 25 also.
Shush. I'm not the fucking vibe coder.
You're gonna write modern C++ also. Damn.
No.
Then that's the full package.
How can I subscribe to a TypeScript?
How can you subscribe to Lucas? Well, you press the red button and hope you don't die.
Yeah. TypeScript. How can I subscribe? Wait.
How can I subscribe? Yeah, bro did a tutorial for YouTube.
Using TypeScript to
Like a world in like, I don't know, 20 years when everyone is using AI for everything.
He's like, how can I subscribe using TypeScript? It's such a TypeScript developer. He's trying to subscribe on YouTube through TypeScript. Like, damn, bro. He doesn't know that the button exists, so he's gonna use the.
Where is the subscribe button?
Exactly. Just pulling out the YouTube API and making that work instead. Yeah.
Yes. Alright, Pig is gonna leave. See ya, Pig. Bye bye.
So yeah.
Define your TypeScript types is fire.
Yeah. You know, Teshef, define your least favorite language.
Okay, I will define my least favorite language that I've coded in, okay? Because I can't.
No. We're programmers. You can say shit about languages that you have never used.
Like, not gonna lie, TypeScript seems pretty ass because I know it seems like it has a lot of features that like like just a lot. Like I seem to have everything, like object-oriented programming. Like well,
Yeah,
I don't
they have
see
everything.
point, but yeah.
Yeah, but you know it's Lucas's favorite language after
Hey.
Python, of course.
Now,
Yeah.
now you better watch your mouth, or I might,
Watch it.
or I might do something. You know, I might do something in TypeScript.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I bet that's what you wanted all along.
I think the reason I like JavaScript more than TypeScript, even though I've never coded in both of them, so that's a pretty good opinion to follow.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, is because like JavaScript, like I don't know, man, like it doesn't have types, like yeah, like for a dynamic language, I don't know, bro.
Yeah, it's bad.
You know, it would be fine if someone where makes C and TypeScript types.
Probably possible, but why though?
Because TypeScript would be fire then. Nah,
No, you will just have C that takes a billion years to run.
yeah. You know, like adding types to JavaScript is like the same as adding classes to C. No.
Yeah, for
Well,
I mean, who would even add classes to C? Am I right?
Yeah, yeah. Like, yeah, who would come to this? No.
Yeah, exactly.
There, a bunch of food got spawned, but I didn't get a single client side.
Guess we ain't solving world hunger today.
Nah, bro, for real. But servers spawned food. I'm just gonna do something stupid now. I'm just gonna go like, fuck that and fuck that, you know? So what we're gonna do is that every time it's being called, I'm just gonna call that, and I'm not gonna concern whatever the fuck is originally there. I don't give a fuck. I don't think it can go too bad, right? Worst case scenario, the whole thing crashes. You know, that's the worst case scenario. Let's see. I think it should be.
PC on fire.
It should be able to spawn, but it's just going through. What the fuck is happening? It goes in here. Ah, but the player count is 0, so it just returns. So I need to connect with the player. Boom. Now we should be connected with the player. Now it should start spawning. Food 1. Food 2. Yeah. And now soon there will be a food 3. Food 3. Fantastic. Now, why is this shit not on the screen, huh? Why is it not here? This is stupid, I swear to God. Because I'm subscribed to it over here. And I do get, like, if I say here, like, yeah, blah blah blah, right? If I say this, crazy shit, bro, and I go in here and I do a refresh, I connect twice apparently. Anyways, I do get this, but for some reason, I don't get that food is being inserted. Even though you can see here, it's still going, but it's not calling this shit over here. Like, why? This is obviously, well, I mean, hey, how are you, my headphone? Okay, it's one of those. If I do this and I say, oops, come on, I'm pressing bad buttons. Let's do another one with just underscores, right? And let's connect again. You can see?
The debug statements need to be studied.
You can see it calls this one and this one, so that means that it's definitely doing this thing, but it's not. Wait a minute.
Just print food or something, like I would do that so that I see like the state of, or maybe you're onto something, we'll see.
Print. before and after. Hello, Chupak.
Gotcha.
Gotcha. Can't register the handler, but nothing fires unless the client has actually subscribed to the table. Instead, we must subscribe to the table if on insert alone doesn't open a subscription. What the fuck that puts on this? Blah. So your user should look like this. Well, what the fuck? What's so different between... I guess there's a little bit more syntax, but... And there is no such thing called subscribe, apparently. Well, that's fantastic. Let's see, con db dot food... That's not how you spell food. Dot... Undelete on insert. There is... Can I actually do a connection dot subscribe? This is a there. The fuck? Wow, I can spell, but I think it understands what I'm trying to say. Table does not exist on subscribe builder. Okay, what do exist though? On error. Ah, look at there's the subscribe. What does it take in as a parameter? It takes a... Aha. Well, that's nasty. I think it's... If it's something, it's probably this, maybe. I have no idea. Probably, maybe. I mean, we can try. Do I want the build though? No. Let's see, table food. Let's see, it wants a parameter. Can I please just... Oh, okay, very nice. So this thing jumps somewhere. Let's see. Subscribe to all rows from a table. This method is intended as a convenience for application where client-side memory use the network bandwidth are not concerned. Should register more precise queries via subscribe. Place subset. But what is the parameter that I pass in? That's what I'm trying to find out. Like, oh, so let's see. Space-time db subscribe, like so. I don't know. Let's see. Is there something else? Bruh. Subscription builder here. Let's see. Now it's in Rust. I want it in TypeScript. Where's the docs for TypeScript? I need it for TypeScript. I need it for TypeScript. Wah! There's some TypeScript quick start. Reference. Okay, come on. Come on. Subscribe. Yes. There's plenty. Thank God. But I don't know what I'm actually trying to find. What was that? Access client cache. Subscribe to queries. Builder parents, subscribe to queries, manage subscription. I just want to know on insert. Here. Can you please just show me some example code for an on insert? Okay, here. But that's not what I want. The fuck? Please, just some simple example code. I just want to get updated. Bruh. Okay. Like, is it actually that hard to even... Like, I'm not even concerned what food got added to the table. I just want to know that a food got added to the table. That's all I want to know. Okay, let's see. On message submit set default. This one was pretty good. Okay, let's see. This one must have something, right? It has to have. Connect use effects. Subscribe to queries here. Connection, subscription builder, unapplied console client initial subscribe queries. What are queries? Queries are... Oh, it's the thing that comes in here. Amazing. And then that's from here. Select user. So could I just say... So you just pass this in. Okay. So let's see. Subscription builder. Am I concerned about any of those things? Can I just go connection subscription builder dot on applied? Let's do this as well. Can I please? Console. I don't know what I'm doing. I just subscribed to food. Let's go with that. I think that's a pretty good way to go. And then we can, or can we not? Okay, we can. Cool. And then after that, we say start subscribe. And here, is it like this? And then I just say, like they do in here, select. Let's do with those. But I don't care about. I just care about one thing, and that's food. I just want food. I don't want anything else. Select asterisk from, and I think I just call it food. And I don't know. Am I concerned about anything else? I don't think I am. The connection. Do I want the connection? Is there a connection? There is a connection already passed in, so why am I... Oh, sub. Will I use the sub anywhere? I don't fucking know. Anyways, I think I call it food. I'm not sure. Food. Food with capital. That might be... Gonna see what... Oh yeah, but they don't have... Do they have the server set up in Rust here as well? Let's see. I just want to see the message structure. I don't want to see anything else. A message table. Actually, I don't have the old thing. Fuck it. And then I will go here, we'll connect, subscribe to food, but no food getting printed. But I didn't really say anything for it to do. If it got subscribed to food, but I never told it what would happen now. So I guess that's amazing. I think I am subscribed to food now, but I'm not really sure what's gonna happen, you know. On connect. So now I get subscribed to food on connect, and then does it do anything else with this stuff? I don't think so. So use effect on here, this. What the fuck is that? Not sure what this is. I'm not sure this is what I want. And where is this? This is hilarious. Use message. Where was this thing being called from? Let's go to the old.
Oh no, it isn't. Hello?
Hello?
Yo. What happened? Wait, don't say your thing crashed after running your program.
What happened?
No, yeah, what happened to you? You
What?
disconnected.
I didn't even know. I was talking this whole time. No, I don't know. Discord just.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been here this whole
Okay.
time. Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah.
I think I've been here this whole time. But why? This is so weird because there's like, okay, there's this use message function, right? And then there's just a random const. Like, how does TypeScript even work? Like, what the fuck? What is this? There's just a random const there, like, eh.
Oh, you have types and you have a script.
It's just,
That's all.
this is so fucking. Ugh. I don't wanna do TypeScript. This is so illogical. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Oh, why are you even allowed to do this? This is so ugly. Okay, whatever. So, just a. Do I need to? What does this even mean? I just wanna know. I don't wanna know. Oh my god. I just wanna know if the food got spawned. That's all I want to know. I don't even wanna know what the fuck this is. Like, what the fuck? On insert. Okay, on insert.
Yes, your stream
What?
in Discord.
I'm not streaming.
Yeah, because it is connected.
Bruh, this is crazy.
So
Yeah.
TypeScript crashed your PC.
Yeah, for real. Okay, so wait, on insert, you can pass in a function that's supposed to happen. Okay. But that's what I've been trying to do this fucking whole time. But brother, it has not been working. Please tell me this is it. You know, like, please. That's just, I don't know. That should be pretty much it. Subscribe got spawned. Did I just? Is it working? Is it working? Ah! Subscribe got spawned. I just wrote a typo. It's working.
Yo.
And I get 2 prints because it's the server, so there's 2 clients being connected. So, okay, that's great. That's great. So was it just because I never had this? Wait, let me see. So if I do this now. No, it's still. I swear now it's literally the same fucking code that have been running since I started its live stream. And if that. Don't let that work, because then my brain might wanna commit suicide. Oh no, don't let that be working. Okay. Server spawn, let's run this. Please. No client is connected, so it shouldn't even try. Okay. Now if I connect, yes, I think client got connected. No food spawn. But the server should say food spawn. Yes, okay. And should say 3. Yes, good. Okay. And now if I add this back in, go in here. And when it says food spawn, it should start saying food spawn or subscribe, whatever. Let's do a refresh. Okay. Ah! Hallelujah! God bless you. Woo! Yeah!
Yo.
It says food spawn. There's no food though, but there is a food spawn working. Or subscribe but spawn. I wish it was this easy to spawn subscribers. Am I right? Am I right? No, I need to flex on Hans a bit because, you know, every time I just need to send him my cursed debug messages and he's gonna be like, what the fuck are you even doing? And I say, you know, it runs though.
I'm on the mission to get the most cursed debug message. Did you see like the videos like getting like the craziest, I don't know, Minecraft kill message? Like death message?
Oh no, I'm
That's
not.
like, because you can get like things, I don't know, like died out of the world border while fighting the Ender Dragon or something.
Mm.
That's like the same as chasing these debug error messages.
I mean, my brain is melting from like, I have been, because of uni, I have been coding in Java. And then I'm trying to get a module, which is Spring Boot, into our project. And it has been melting my brain for hours today. I think I got it working, like at least everything is linking. And then I go here and try to do Rust and TypeScript at the same time. And I'm like, I'm supposed to be doing Zig.
Yeah, how's that going?
Shut up.
Bro,
That's
it's
right.
not on vacation.
But now food got spawned. You know, I should be going to sleep, but Hans literally went to watch the stream just when I said I need to flex on Hans, and then he just heard that. Oh yeah, he heard that I need to flex on Hans and send him my debug messages, and then he just, and then that follows a Discord notification. All right, I think now what we can do, because we got this. But do I have access to the... Now I somehow need to tell this thing over here that spawn food should be called. You know, somehow. And with some information. And I don't know, can I... Where can I... It has to be... I have no idea. Yeah, because it needs to know. I need to know how can I connect. I mean, I got it kind of like, you know, I'm inside of the Zig game. I have the use effect. Now I know that there is a spawn food, which is kind of funny that I don't. Anyways, there should be a spawn food. And
When will you stream today?
stream what?
Live stream.
I am live.
Yeah, till like what? How long will you still stream?
Oh, I should have stopped.
Oh.
But I'm like, I'm on it, you know.
Yeah, you're cooking right now.
Yeah, I'm cooking. But I'm like, how can I get? I need to get this call to somehow now be able to notify the game that hey, shit went boom, do something. And I don't know, can I? How can I? How the fuck can I do that?
You can't.
That's crazy. Let's see. I'm just gonna. Let's see. Let's see. This is some. It's gonna throw me some JavaScript simsalabim stuff, you know, where it just
Yeah,
works.
it's gonna throw some Java error.
Well, that too, probably. And it's just gonna work somehow. I'm like, what? That makes no sense. It's just trust me, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? That's my average JavaScript experience. The spawn or the food insert with the game press see, let's put that there and let's try another one over here. Wow, it's such a fast response, but it's not really. Let's see. First, update your Rust code. What would I update my Rust code, brother? You're no. Oh my god, no way. No, it's misunderstood completely. Oh my god, no, no. Oh no. Oh no, no. Now it's starting to make its own structures inside of. No, no. What is it doing? No, stop. No. What is this? It completely lost that it's. Wasm is supposed to be the thing that controls all of this, and then it just started implementing its own stuff on top of it. It's like, no! No. What is it doing? What the fuck? I think it completely. Let's see if ChatGPT made a better. Maintain a small queue of new food events and reacts when during frame. Pull the queue and write food data into WASM memory. Flip a flag when WASM loop can read. Just a D, a press. Okay, let's see. Food queue. Okay, but this is not two. And then if key D and con Okay, this one got also the logic, or maybe I just explained poorly, but this is not too bad of an idea. It like in reverse, it could work as well. Okay. I don't even need to know anything about this yet, but let's see. But how can I get... Can I access... Let's say, let's just make it a bool, you know? Equals false. Just for simplicity, I just wanna know... food queue. Yeah, I cannot access it from here. I was thinking that doesn't make sense. Thank God something is logical in TypeScript. Woo! Can I put it... What if I put it in top of the thing over here? I cannot make it const. And then we go down here and let's see if I can do... I think this is probably the most ugly way, but I have no idea. If food queue true, let's actually do this. We're gonna put it here, whatever. No wait, it has to be inside of the frame. Bruh, how can I be so stupid? I'm gonna do it in between for now. Then I'm gonna say food queue is equal to false. And then we'll print so we're just moving the print to see if we can do it inside of the game loop. This check, but it will still be called from the server. Yes. So if I go here now, spawn food. Let's see again. Spawn food. Okay, so let's see if we can do something even more crazy. We can go in here and I can say input dot d is equal to 1 or true. What? Yeah. So yes, and we need to let's see this. So we should be moving to the right. Am I wrong? I don't think we are moving to the right. No. Right, but I'm not in sync in... Wait, fuck. No? Still nothing. I think this one should... Well, there is one crazy thing that we could just do, which is we will not draw... yeah, this one should still... We will only draw when there is a food update. So if I do this, let's do again, start it, reload. So now it should only draw when the... I'm not even printing messages. Like so. So now it should only draw if it says spawn food. Which it doesn't. Fuck! Okay, okay, well then it makes sense that nothing happens. What about this page? No? So that means that this thing doesn't work at all when it's inside of this thing. Even though it's printing and says that it should. And these things just don't work. That's so weird. I think they should work. Because they are printing the message and the draw has the possibility to be called. Why would it not do it? But if I move it outside... There it is. That's so weird. Why? That's... This has been my whole day today. I've just been going, why? 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 Everything has just been why? But why? For real, bro? What? Because then definitely the spawn food should not work even if I add it. Just need to... Let's just add it. I should actually maybe go bed. I think let's save it for tomorrow. It's something that is like so close to being like there. So let's save it for tomorrow, you know, so I will be excited to get back and yeah. Alright. I think that's gonna be it. Any final words, boys?
Yeah. See ya.
Yeah. I want to sleep.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, same, bro. I'm so...
Alright. See ya, everybody. We will continue tomorrow and maybe get the damn food spawned.